If you're looking for fun and lighthearted ways to roast your sibling, we've got you covered with a collection of witty comebacks, one-liners, and playful insults. Whether you want to tease your older sister about her age or remind your younger sibling who's boss, these suggestions aim to strengthen your bond while keeping the exchanges respectful. From poking fun at their fashion choices to using clever lines that hint at needing space, the goal is to keep the atmosphere playful. You can initiate a roast battle with silly comparisons, humorous personality jabs, or classic insults that guarantee plenty of laughs. Try, "You might be older, but you're not wiser," or "Your opinion is almost as bad as your outfit." Just remember to deliver these quips with a smile to ensure your sister knows it's all in good fun.